Hi, and welcome to another Frontier Precision Tech Talk. Today we'll be looking at TerraSync and how to store height as an attribute within the Geo7x with the integrated laser rangefinder. Now that I've launched TerraSync, I want to go into the Setup menu, and I want to make sure that my external sensor, being the integrated laser rangefinder, is connected properly. So I'm going to click on External Sensors, and I'm going to go ahead and choose Sensor 1. If we choose laser, we're specifying the rangefinder for laser offsets rather than storing height as an attribute. So we'll select Sensor 1, then we'll want to go to Properties. You can give this a name if you like. I'm going to keep it as Sensor 1 for now. The COM port's going to be Rangefinder Module 6, COM 6. 4800, 8, 1, and none. And then here is where we want to specify how we want to receive height within a field. So the rangefinder spits out a string called HT for height. So we'll want to put capital HT and a comma in the prefix. And then in the suffix, we're going to want comma F, indicating that we want to end the string. So we just want height. We're going to move on down, leaving all the defaults so far. Data destination, we'd want to specify a field that has been predetermined within our data dictionary. I have a field called pole height. So within data destination, I want to choose as attribute. And then I want to key in pole height because that's the name of my field. Done and done. It's just warning me that my sensor will not be opened until a file is opened. So now, going from the setup screen to the data menu, I'm choosing a data dictionary that's based on this test here, which has a field, a numeric field to store heights called pole height. I'm going to confirm my antenna height. And if we were to shoot in a power pole here, we would click the power pole feature, could key in any normal attributes, photos, comments, and you'll notice a default pole height of 25. If I launch the laser rangefinder with the center application key on the Geo, it will launch the laser rangefinder utility and the camera for the laser rangefinder. I'll do a 3-shot height. First, it's going to ask me for the distance. I'm going to shoot that. Then it's going to ask me for the top. Then the bottom. Check. And now that height of 7.75 feet is stored into my pole height attribute. This concludes our tech talk on storing height as an attribute with a Geo7x using the integrated laser rangefinder utility within TerraSync.